Hello everyone. So I am here today planting some seeds. I'm starting my tomatoes. I unfortunately have not done videos in a long time. I previously did craft videos. Now I'm doing some gardening. I will eventually do craft again, but it will probably be over a year because it won't be till after I move, and it'll probably be longer than a year for that. But right now I'm focusing on my gardening. If I do any crafts, I will share those in between. So today I'm doing tomatoes. I got my planter thingy ready. 36 slots. I have 11 tomato seeds. I'm going to be doing Amish paste. These are from Azure Standard. I've got multiple companies here. I cannot find my tripod. So hopefully this is going to turn out okay. I have Royal Paste from M.I. Gardener. These look yummy. I think they'll also be great for a sandwich. I have Rio Grande. These are from Urban Farmer. These are older. Let's see, is there a year on them? I don't know what the year is. I haven't bought these for a few years. It's probably on the front somewhere. Well, anyway, we'll move on. I have Roma tomatoes from So Right, and the Rio Grande are also a form of Roma tomatoes. So I'm doing 4 paste tomatoes. As far as I know, those are the only technical paste tomatoes. I don't know if these other ones are. I'm doing different tomatoes this year. I usually do, what was the other ones called? I can't remember what they're called. I'm trying to look in my box. So I haven't really done these. I might have done Amish one year. I might do this one too. Let's see. I might throw one of these in too. A giant Belgium from M.I. Gardener. That's another kind of paste tomato. The San Marzano. I usually do San Marzano. I'm going to try the Amish paste this year. We're going to do 2 cherry tomatoes, I guess they're called. These are Tomato Pole Cherry Indigo Rose. These are from Botanical Interest. These are darker outside. And I'm going to do, I did these last year and we loved them. Cherrylicious Mix. And they did a ton. I only had 1 plant and I got a ton off of these. These are from M.I. Gardener. Is there a year on it? 2024. And I planted these last year. So they were still good and viable. Moscovic tomato. This is a Russian tomato. I got a few last year, but I didn't have them in a good area, so they didn't do well. So I'm gonna do them again, but they were good. This is the Mortgage Lifter. This is from So Right Seeds. This is my first year using So Right Seeds. This is the Costa Luto Genovese tomato. It's a nice big one. That's from So Right. This is the Quadro tomato. I've not done this one before. This one, maybe this might be a paste also. Just looking at the size, I'm not 100% sure. Yes, it's a Roma. So I have 4 paste. 1, 2, 3, 5 paste. And we're gonna do the Rutgers. I've not done this one before, and this is from So Right. The So Rights I just got this year. The rest were from past years. I did order some new ones from M.I. Gardener. I think I ordered this one not knowing I had it. I even have a list and I forgot to look at it. But that's all right. There's only like a few in it, so. I don't know. think there's like 10 seeds. So that's what I'll be planting. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the holes, and then I'll come back. Since, like I said, I don't have a tripod today. I've been tearing my house apart trying to find it. I've been trying to find a way I can balance it on here, and I can't, so I'm just gonna pop them in the holes, and then I will come back. Okay, so I just planted my tomatoes, and I also did summer savory, a large leaf basil. This is a sunflower mix. I did 2 sections of those with like 3 or 4 seeds in them. A dwarf teddy sunflower and a sunflower velvet queen. I don't have the packages here by me. Okay, I also did summer savory, cumin, St. John's wort, lemon mint, and lemon balm. St. John's wort is in my gardener. And the reason I mark what company they're from is because I had some peppers I planted, which were supposed to be pepperoncinos, and they ended up being poblanos. And so I have no idea which package they were from, or what brand, what company. So now I am marking them so I know which ones I planted. So I did lemon mint from in my gardener, Italian large leaf basil in my gardener. This is the teddy bear sunflower from Fairy Morse. I thought that was so cute. And sunflower mixed colors. And when you dump out the seeds, they're different colors, so you can kind of know. You don't know which one's which, maybe, but you'll know that you're getting different ones. The Velvet Queen sunflower from Fairy Morse. Summer savory from In My Gardener. And cumin from In My Gardener. And now I am starting some flowers. I got this for Christmas present, Herbal Tea Garden Seed Collection. So I got Bachelor's Button, Pacific Beauty Calendula, and Nice Hyssop. Here's the pink Bachelor's Button. They're from Seed Geeks. Here's your Nice Hyssop, Seed Geeks. The Pacific Beauty Mix Calendula. And I did English lavender. I started doing it here inside, but it needs to be cold stratified, and today it's cold, so I ran outside in the freezing cold in my shorts and t-shirt and planted that outside. So we'll see how that does. And I'm going to do 2 more, red clover and holy basil. I think I know holy basil is medicinal. Some of these other ones may be medicinal too, but I don't know at the moment. But they are for tea. And the lavender you can use in baked goods. I've even had lavender ice cream before. It was really good. So I make ice cream, so I may add that to it. So that's where I'm at so far. Forgot, for the smaller seeds, I am using this Vivo Sun sprayer, and I'm pre-wetting, moistening. I mean, the soil's already moistened, but I want to moisten it a little more so they don't fly around. I do have a fan on in here. And for these, I'm just kind of shaking them in. And since they're smaller, I'm probably going to put them in a pot. I don't know if they saw that in my camera off. But they're in there. You can see the little balls there. And I do have peroxide in my water. A 3%, I think it is. 30? 3 or 30. I don't remember which it is. I'll put a link to that down below too. And I'm going to top off a couple of these these with soil. This is my calendula. Calendula are larger seeds, so I'm going to put soil on top of them. Move this over here because these are larger also. So top those off with soil. Pat it down a little bit. The anise ones were small, so I am going to use some vermiculite on those. Just sprinkle it on there. It lets in light and it helps keep it moist. And I will take my sprayer and just kind of lightly moisten it. So that's how I do all that. Let's move this back. So I'm pretty sure that I put holy basil and red clover in the same hole. So I planted the rest of my holy basil because there wasn't a lot in there. And we'll see what happens. I'm sure that they're going to come up there also. So hey, you know, mistakes happen. And we'll see. Hopefully I can pull them apart. So we'll find out. Okay, I planted a bunch more flowers. So we have the last of my peppermint stick zinnias. I think I planted these several years ago. I don't remember. But there we go. Barry Morris. The zinnia salsa mix. I thought those were really pretty from Baker Creek. Zinnia Old Mexico Fairy Morris. Thought those were cute. I've never planted carnations before. I got these from M.I. Gardener. I thought I'd give them a try. Be nice to have some fresh flowers in the house. This one's La France from M.I. Gardener also. This is I can't see with my glasses. Sorry. Seashells Cosmo. This is from Azure Standard. I thought those were cute. Fairy Morris Painted Daisy. I think I planted daisies once, but they never came up. These are Moonlight African Marigold, M.I. Gardener. So if you have any tips on daisies or carnations, please be sure to share them in the comments section to help me out. I've also never planted these. Giant McKenna Mix Columbine. M.I. Gardener. Let's see what the date is. I don't know how long I've had these. 2025. I probably bought them in 24 or something. M.I. Gardener Antique Shades Poppy. I've never grown poppies before. Delphinium. I've not grown these before. Those are from 2025. I have no idea where I got those. Probably Walmart or something. Bachelor Button. These are blue ones from American Seed. I think these were from Dollar Tree. Who knows how long ago these are from. Can we see? 2000. See if those even come up. That's all I got so far. I got some empty spots till I decide. That's all for tonight. And I transplanted some peppers. They got really big. And that's not eggplant. These are all peppers. I reuse my pots. I have some ginger here. This one was sprouting when I planted it. Here's what else I have coming. Some kohlrabi, some eggplant. I had to redo some of them. Not all of them came up, so they came up pretty quick the second time. Here's some more things I started. I think I'm a little late. I just did these a few days ago, and they're coming up all the year round. I don't remember what that is. Maybe cabbage? Or it's some kind of lettuce. It's some kind of lettuce, I think is what it is. I have Swiss chard. I have those are more lettuces and cabbage, I think. Oh, here's some more oregano. I have another lemon mint. Oh, it's all right. If I get more, it's great. I did some more peppers because not all of them came up. So I started some more of those a little late, but I don't think they take too long anyway. Here's my first batch. I did these early February. And you see the empty spots. I did add some seeds in some of them, like that one is coming up. I think there's another one there, maybe. Can't tell. Oh, yeah, that's another one. But those were spots that I re-added them to. There's some more peppers. And again, I've never had this happen before, where I don't get anything come up. This is broccoli. Hopefully I'll get that out pretty soon. It's supposed to rain a lot, but I think some of the rain got canceled. This is the ones I up-potted from. And there's some more. These were slower. This might have been the ones I reseeded. And those are ready to go out. Those are cabbages. These are from the grocery store. I just stuck them in there and I cut them off right down there. You can see where I cut them. Now, something happened to a couple of them. I don't know if it happened outside, but I don't know what happened to those. I think a squirrel or something might have got them. I don't know. So that's all my plants for now. Oh, did I get these? Napa cabbage. Those are potted up. Those I just did. More Napa cabbage. Brussels sprouts. Yeah, I did those. Okay. All right. Well, that's all for now. I should be back soon.